Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's crazy. Hello everyone. So today I wanted to show you a product that I picked up from good old Wally World. And I just wanted to show you what it does for me. I don't usually get rid of the hair on my arms, but I wanted to give it a try, you know? Pamper all the way, right? So it's called a Palm Perfect Electric Shaver, and it says it's new. You can use it wet or dry. The packaging will look like this. I already opened it unfortunately, but it comes in this packaging, and it comes in, well, when I went to the Walmart that I went to, it came in two different styles, and I picked up this one right here. It's pretty cute. Just off the look itself, I was already gonna pick up a razor, but yeah, just because of how cute it is, I wanted to pick it up. So I'm using this primarily for arm hair removal, small areas like I do get some hair on my lower back, just those smaller areas, because the larger areas like my legs or armpits, I'll wax those. So this will do nicely for those like quick touch-up moments, for when I want some extra smoothness. The areas that I'm using it in, it doesn't really grow heavy hair, so my arms, my lower back area, or I don't think this is meant for the face, but I couldn't imagine why you wouldn't use this, or couldn't use this on like the mustache area. It does fit in that area. I just want to show you how smooth it gets my arms. So I already gave it a little try, and I noticed it does get it pretty smooth. So there's a very clear difference too. Like one side is brighter than the other. And I'll insert some daylight photos as well of me outside in the sun with these two arms for comparison. It gets it pretty smooth, if I do say so myself. And yeah, super easy to use. It's super loud though. Usually razors that I use are pretty loud. I haven't really came across a quiet razor. If that does exist, I would love to try that out. You can also use a USB port. It has a little part right here where you can plug in your USB. So it says USB port for corded use only, will not charge batteries. Of course, do not use it underwater. It's connected to a cord. That's dangerous. And use it with a USB adapter only. Alright, so this is it. Pretty adorable, pretty cute. And it has like a little cord right here. I guess it's for hanging purposes. I didn't untie this yet, so I'll untie it for you guys. Oh, it's pretty long actually. So yeah, it's a little cord thing. And this part actually is where the batteries just flew out. This is where the batteries go. Hold on. Oh my gosh. So this bottom part is where the batteries go, and this pops right on top. Plus and negative side. Is that positive? It's negative. Okay. Should be absolutely correct. And now it refuses to go in. Okay, I got it. So this has like a little twisty lock. I guess I had it at an angle before, so I didn't realize, but you turn this part and it'll open, and then to secure it closed, you twist it so it stays. So the sheer power of this thing. This thing is loud, okay? It's so loud for such a tiny little thing. Oh my goodness. I'm going to test out how it works right now on my arm. This is the length on my arm before. And I'm just gonna go on. So, what do you guys think? I think there's a lot of parts I missed though, but yeah, what do you guys think? You guys, this got my arms so incredibly smooth, and I'm super picky too, because it's either make it smooth or I don't use it at all, right? This is smooth. There's no prickles, there's no nothing. This is baby smooth, okay? You guys, this was definitely worth it. I would definitely say. I've never had my arms this smooth before. So this feels so foreign and it feels so good. Oh my goodness. Like, I can't stop touching it. Look how smooth it is. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is gonna get a huge thumbs up from me. So I got it at Walmart for $8.82. That's not bad at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe as well and hit that notification bell. And you'll know when I upload more videos. Down in the comments below, let me know, what do you think? How do you think this came out? Do you think it was a yay or a nay? Let me know. And do you think the price point was worth it too? All right, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye guys.